Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial from my channel. Like every year, 20th August globally celebrated as World Mosquito Day. But the question is why we celebrate a particular day with these small annoying insects? The answer must be to raise awareness and alertness about the disease caused by mosquitoes. World Mosquito Day is observed annually on 20th August. Despite being very small or tiny in size, mosquitoes are the only predator in history that has lived through centuries and caused death through vector-borne diseases like malaria. Moreover, as per a survey of the world's deadliest animals, mosquitoes have topped the list. Among the many nations, India has become a favorable breeding place for many mosquito species, making it the hotspot for diseases like dengue, yellow fever, chikungunya, filaria, malaria, Japanese encephalitis, and others. On August 20, 1897, a British physician, Sir Ronald Ross, discovered that female Anopheles mosquito transmit malaria between humans. Shortly after making this revelation, Dr. Ross claimed that August 20 needs to be celebrated as World Mosquito Day to increase awareness about the common diseases that these spiteful creatures spread and what we can do to stay safe. And therefore, the day is marked every year by the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. Mosquito name comes from a Spanish word meaning little fly. Mosquitoes may be small flying insects, but they are part of the list of world's deadliest animals. These small insects carry and transmit many diseases that they kill 7,25,000 people each year. Malaria, a commonly caused disease due to Anopheles mosquito, alone caused 4,38,000 deaths in 2015 as per World Health Organization. Dengue, chikungunya, Zika virus spread by mosquitoes have high mortality rate. It is not one mosquito that we talk of, there are more than approximately 3,500 species of various kinds of mosquitoes. Among various types of mosquitoes, there are three types: Anopheles, Aedes and Culex mosquitoes, which act as vector and they are living organisms that can transmit infectious disease to humans from the animals. While Aedes mosquito is known to spread diseases such as chikungunya, dengue fever, lymphatic filariasis, Rift Valley fever, yellow fever, Zika, etc. Anopheles mosquito is known to spread malaria and lymphatic filariasis as well. Culex mosquito, on the other hand, is known to spread the disease Japanese encephalitis, lymphatic filariasis, and West Nile fever. Comparing the figures with other death causes of humans, including murders, the death by mosquitoes remain at the top. Do you know nearly 700 people get infected with mosquito-borne illness every year? Globally, around 1 million people dies due to diseases spread by mosquito. What a big number. You can imagine. Mosquito-borne illness are diseases which are caused mainly by protozoa, bacteria or viruses transmitted by mosquitoes. During the monsoon, a steep rise in mosquito-borne diseases is observed every year. Stagnant water acts as a breeding ground for mosquitoes. The hot and humid climate also accelerate mosquito breeding. Therefore, it is very much crucial, or it is urgent, to follow all necessary steps to prevent mosquito bites, especially during the monsoon season. Here are some tips that can help you prevent mosquito bites. So what you have to do? You have to use an effective mosquito repellent. It may be oil of lemongrass or eucalyptus oil, etc. You have to stay indoors during peak biting hours, such as during dawn or dusk. If you have to keep mosquitoes outside by using nets in the windows and using mosquito net during sleeping. You have to pour out any stagnant or standing water, because mosquitoes breed on the stagnant water. You have to make your aroma less appealing, and after all, you have to wear the right or full sleeved clothes to protect from mosquito bite. This year, amid the coronavirus pandemic, the theme is reaching the zero malaria target, and this is the theme of 2021. My intention is to raise awareness to protect you from mosquito-borne diseases. Alright, it's time to end the tutorial. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on this video. For the new viewers, do not forget to subscribe my channel if you already have not done so, and please press the bell icon to get the notification. Please do take care in the pandemic.